Chapter 10, More on Python. In this chapter, we will learn about data types, understand Python input and output to understand constants. Data types. Data type is nothing but a categorization of data to a different types. A data type defines a set of values along with operations that can be performed on those values. For representing integer in Python, we call them int. For real numbers, Python will call them float, and for characters we will represent it as str or string. Python has an inbuilt function called type, which we can use to determine the data type of the literal. Variables. Variables are used to store data in our programs. We also use variables to access data as well as manipulate data. Mutable and immutable variables. Mutable variable is one whose value may change in place, whereas in an immutable variable, change of value will not happen in place. Constants. Constants are variables whose values do not change during the lifetime of the program. Unlike languages like C or Java, Python doesn't have a special syntax to create constants. Escape sequences. Escape sequences are a set of special characters used to print characters which can't be typed directly using the keyboard. Comments. Comments are used to add notes to a program. In a large program, comments may describe the purpose of the program and how it works. For example, displaying multiple items with the print function. We can also use print statement to print multiple items in a single call by separating each item by a comma. Simultaneous assignment. We can assign values to multiple variables at once using simultaneous assignment, which has a syntax var1, var2, var3 up to var(n) is equal to expression1, expression2, expression3 up to expression n. When Python encounters simultaneous assignment statement, it first evaluates all the expression on the right hand side and then assigns their value to the corresponding variables on the left. Python input. Python has a built-in function named input to read input from the keyboard. Its syntax is var equal to input bracket prompt. Prompt refers to the optional string which instructs the user to enter the input. The input function reads the input data from the keyboard and returns it as a string. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.